Racing the clock, got here in the dark, so we are actually viewing this house at nighttime. So you enter front door. What I love about it is straight through this door is to the pool and to the boat and the dock area, which is spectacular. And I really like the light fixtures and the custom window treatments that they have with the heavy, thick hardware.
It smells nice and clean here too.
I really like this kitchen. I can definitely get down in here cooking. I mean, all of these cabinets are in great shape.
Yeah.
I don't think they cooked.
Must be interesting if they just have a vacant house in here, not generating any income or anything.
I don't know.
And they got the plastic PVC
What?
vent covers too. I gotta swap all mine out down here. I'm sick of the rusting.
Oh, is that what it is? Mine is rusted. And
Yeah,
it's
these are all plastic, which is nice.
It's dark, but the water's out there, I promise. Did we find a light switch for over here to... Oh. Because we came out in the dark. Like, these should have light switches. Ah, let there be light. Ah, yes. I should have busted out the camera as soon as we got here. Guess we can do the nighttime video. Oh, you can't see much. It's dark. Pitch black. You're gonna have to video that in the daylight. I did not get much. I like the glass that they have, the glass tiles around the pool. See, so the whole house just comes out in this area. And that's the front door. And boom, you're straight to the entertainment. Okay, we did find our favorite room. It's this bathroom. I have to show you the master bathroom. And of course the master looks out to the water. Check out the coolest bathroom on planet Earth. This is dovetail construction. I really like this bathroom. Oh, and even the closet. There's a chandelier. And they put all their, everything is organized. Okay, I had to show you that bathroom. This bathroom actually goes straight out to the pool area. So when you're out here and you're wet, having this bathroom right here. The floors are different in here. This is a small feeling room, probably because of the dark floors. This bathroom, we can't figure out light. Oh, the light fixture is completely missing. But they have, it's updated with the tile in here. The tile work is beautiful. It's opalescent. Maybe they just started remodeling it. Because the bathrooms are stunning. These bedrooms are small.
Yeah, it's not. Everything but the masters.
Yeah. Here's your electrical panel. The laundry room's a decent size.